Hello, I'm Dr. Lloyd Minor, Dean of the Stanford School of Medicine and Vice President for Medical Affairs at Stanford University, and your host of the Minor Consult. Over the past 4 years, we've explored what it takes to be an effective leader in a world that's changing faster than ever. Today, I'm excited to launch a special series we're calling The Big Idea. In this season, we'll be turning our focus to what's coming around the corner, spotlighting breakthrough innovations and bold ideas that could transform our lives, our health, and the world as we know it. Each episode delves deeply into one powerful idea and remarkable minds driving it, exploring what inspired them, the challenges they face, and the extraordinary impact they aim to make. From pioneering technologies to groundbreaking health solutions, we'll take you inside the big ideas that stand to redefine industries and change lives for the better. So join me for the Minor Consult, The Big Idea, as we take a deep dive into the breakthroughs shaping tomorrow. I'm Dr. Lloyd Minor, and I look forward to having you with us.